Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here, and there's actually a reason I'm wearing this red shirt because we're going to be checking out a red variant of the OnePlus 6. I actually just posted my review video of this device. I'll link to that below if you missed it. But anyways, OnePlus has came out the limited edition red coloring, which kind of goes with their color scheme, the red and white look to their boxes, their accessories as well. So what I'm going to do is open up this box, show you the red color itself. And you know what? I actually already have a OnePlus 6, my review unit that I made the review video, so I don't actually need this limited edition red color one. This is actually the 128 gig internal storage, 8 gigs of RAM. So you know what? Let's go ahead and have a giveaway. So international giveaway for you guys. I do really appreciate the continued support you guys have given on the channel, the likes, the comments, all the new subscribers we have as well. It's been fantastic. So very easy to enter to win one of these. I will ship it out to the winner. International giveaway. Just click the Gleam link below. Gleam's super easy to use for me because it can just randomly select a winner for me. And that's it. So you'll have to be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, drop a comment. Let me know what you think of the Red OnePlus 6. So anyways, go enter. Click that link down below. Also, let's go ahead and check out the Red OnePlus 6. Let's get started. So let's check out the Red OnePlus 6. It says the speed you need, and then on the back here you will see red right there. So let's check it out. I'm actually pretty excited to see this coloring. I've heard very good things. I've heard it looks really sleek, but let's go ahead and check it out. As you can see, the packaging, it matches. But here we go. There is that red color. Very cool looking, actually. I really like the reflectiveness. It actually kind of changes the coloring depending on the lighting that it hits. So actually a good use of that glass back that they have on the OnePlus 6. So let's take a close look at the back. It says designed by OnePlus down at the bottom, moving along. There's the OnePlus logo. One thing I'm noticing is the fingerprint scanner has a bit of a different reflective quality. So if I go onto my face, for example, you'll see here, you could just see the difference of my head reflection in that fingerprint scanner. That's the best way for me to show it off, but it's actually a really cool use of just a different reflective color. Still does look red, but you'll see when it hits different lighting scenarios, actually that color gets a little brighter or darker. I am also noticing the trim around the camera has almost a golden tint to it, which gives it almost an Iron Man feel. You'll also notice all the buttons and even the alert slider is colored red to actually match the theme of this phone. So the alert slider with that texture on it to switch between silent, ringer, and vibrate. There is that power button, which I can actually press and hold right now, because we could turn on the device real quick. Let's see if it has a little battery left. Looks like it does. And then here on the left side is where those volume rockers are, again in red. Even that SIM tray is red. And then flipping it down towards the bottom, there's a look at that coloring. Just a couple antenna trim with a different color than that red. But overall, just pretty consistently red throughout the whole phone. One more thing worth noting is the sides have a metal look to it. And then, of course, with the glass, gives it a bit of a more reflective red color versus the more metallic red color that the sides have. So just a little bit of a contrast between the sides and the back, which I like. Also, very quickly, let's see what else comes in the box, what the winner will receive. I will try not to undo everything. You'll see here you have your dash charger, which is actually probably the fastest charging technology out there for Android phones. And then you'll see here you have your USB Type-A to USB Type-C charger. And as I mentioned, that red and white coloring OnePlus always goes with. Their packaging is always top-notch. And then finally, you have, looks like a case in here. I'm going to try and carefully open this up. I am notorious for just ripping these packaging. Okay, so here's what you get. The case right here on the back, just a clear case. And then you have your SIM ejection tool, booklets on the inside, and that's really about it. So that's all that will come with the OnePlus 6 if you win. All these goodies in the box. And a look on the front, it has a black front. I've also noticed that it does have a bit of a screen protector on it, which I'm going to leave on for the winner of the giveaway. So I will leave that screen protector on. Let's skip through the setup process real quick. And quickly ran through the setup process and noticing OnePlus has added a custom red wallpaper for this red phone as well. So here is the OnePlus 6. Again, check out my review video if you missed it. I actually want to see if you can customize the coloring. I know they have an option to theme the device. They have a dark theme, a light theme, which I'll switch to the dark theme so I can actually change the accent color. Just a nice feature of this phone. Now, if I go into accent color, you'll see you can change between a group of different colors. It looks like pink is the closest you can get to the red. So there you go. Now the accent colors are now pink. So if you wanted to at least get close to that red in a theme as well, you could change it to pink. So just wanted to try that out, see if there was an option to actually switch it to red. Thinking outside the box, right? All right, bad joke. But that would be the OnePlus 6 in red on the back. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Kind of neat checking it out. A little sad I have to actually pass this along and give it away. This is a really sleek and good looking device. I like the red color, I like the reflection, and I like that fingerprint scanner coloring. It's perfect in this lighting that you can see how it just reflects in a different way. But anyways, be sure to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Enter in that giveaway, link down below. And that's about it. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching.